What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Adventure Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to drive in manual mode. You guys comment this a lot saying teach us how to drive in manual mode. So today I'm gonna finally do this video. First thing you wanna do is start your car. Seatbelt on. So there's different ways how you could drive in manual mode. The first thing you could do is just simply pull down on the shifter, go into D, click it over, it's going to show sport mode. But if you click it up, that's how you get into manual mode, just like this. And then to get out of manual mode, let's say if you're tired of doing it, you'll just click it back over and it'll go into drive. Or if you're in drive already, you could click it over, go up, and boom, you're in manual mode. Drop it down a gear. Smash. So this is real easy. The manual mode is real easy. Now I hear a lot of people saying that you shouldn't drive your car in manual mode. Now, like I always say, guys, don't abuse your car. So when you are driving in manual mode, just make sure you're shifting on time and you're not going into the red zone. You do not want to go into the red zone, but this car is perfectly fine for you to have fun and go into manual mode. Remember, this is a sports car, and a lot of people say you can't downshift the car. You can downshift it. You can do all that. Now, like I was saying, in the manual POV drive, as you guys can see, this also downshifts for you. So you don't have to downshift if you don't want to. Now, personally for me, I don't downshift on lower gears. So like, let's say if I'm in fourth, right? Or let's say if I'm in fifth, I would downshift it to fourth and I'll downshift it to 3. That's the highest I'll go. But as far as like replicating a manual, I don't do that. I ain't gonna lie, like I don't do that. I don't like how the way it shifts from 2 to 1. To me, it kind of shifts a little hard, so I don't like doing it. But like if it's like in high gears, the lowest I'll shift down is to 3. So let's give it a good pull. Woo! So like right now, I wouldn't downshift it to 2 personally. I'll just, you know, shift it up, because like I said, I don't like how the transmission sometimes it'll shift hard. I think that's just common with these transmissions, is that it shift hard. Like even when I'm in traffic in D, this car shifts kind of many. I ain't gonna lie, like it's not the most comfortable car in traffic. So I think that's just how the way this transmission is made. Don't be scared to drive your car, man. Like I hear a lot of people say, oh well, you know, I don't want to break it, I don't want to break it. You're not going to break it as long as if you don't abuse the car. If you don't abuse the car, then you're fine. But if you're abusing it, then of course you're going to break it. But if you feel comfortable, if you don't like downshifting, then just let it downshift for you. You don't have to downshift. But you can have so much fun. You have so much fun in manual mode. So like I said, man, drive your car, because you're not getting the full experience of a G37 if you haven't at least tried it. Now always, you could go into sport mode too, and it's just as fun. And if you stop hard, oh, I didn't do it. I think it got to be like in a certain gear, but if you stop hard, it'll like kind of red match and it'll sound so good. So don't be scared to drive your car. These G37s are fun. This is what it's made for. It's made for you to have fun. So, but like I said, just don't abuse it, guys. Just don't abuse it and you'll be fine. So like right now, like I'm at 5th, I'll go down to 4, and I'll go to 3, the lowest. But I really just wanted to make this video because a lot of people have been telling me to make this video. They're like, bro, can you teach us how to drive in manual mode? Or is manual mode good or bad for your car? And I'm telling you that it's good. That's what it's made for. That's why they added this feature, so you could have fun with it like you're driving a manual. Now I don't act like I'm driving a manual. I don't downshift every gear. I drive manual mode real conservative. Like I said, like if I was in manual mode, personally for me, I would just let it shift on its own. But if I want to downshift, if I'm trying to get off, like if I'm trying to have like if I'm trying to race or something like that, the lowest I'll go to is 3, like in a high gear. It's okay to downshift if you're in second gear and you're at like a low speed, but I don't do it like, you know, on high gears and stuff like that, because I believe that you could mess up your training like that. So like I said, as long as if you're doing it the right way and you're not abusing the car, you're good. As long as if you're not abusing the car, like I can't stress that enough, guys. Just don't abuse the car, you'll be okay. But definitely, I would definitely suggest driving your car in manual mode. You'll have so much fun. I do it pretty much all the time and I have so much fun. So do it and then let me know how you like it if you haven't did it. But I just wanted to make this video. I didn't want it to be too long. I just wanted to show you guys the proper way how to drive in manual mode and to tell you that it's okay for you to drive in manual mode and you won't have to worry about anything. Trust me, I do it all the time. So like I said, if you're in park and you want to just do it like this, boom, go over to drive sport and click it up and then you'll see M1, and that's how you get into manual mode. Or you could do it while you're driving, but don't downshift like you're driving like a real manual, you know what I'm saying? Because like I said, I believe that can mess up the transmission if you always downshifting like you really got a manual. Like I said, sometimes it's okay to let the computer do it for you, but if you're in high gear, like on a freeway, let's say you're in 6 or 7 gear and you're trying to get off, you want to race, it's okay to downshift to like 4, I believe. Yeah, if you're on the freeway doing freeway speed, like around 4, and then you can try to get off or, you know, do whatever you want to do. Drive your car in manual mode. Trust me, you're gonna have extremely fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like. Go ahead and comment right now, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. 10,000 by the end of the year, and I believe we can do that. All it takes is if you guys to like the video, comment, watching the full video, and we can go crazy. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys' support who have been supporting. It never goes unnoticed. Thank you, I really do appreciate it. You guys are the reason why I keep going and I won't stop. But I really just want 10K by the end of the year. That would make me extremely happy. So go ahead and sub if you haven't already. Go ahead and like the video, comment, all that. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.